a minute on Bromark Farms. Let's spend 60 seconds here and talk about what we're going to do here. I see we've got an excavator here. The contractor here that we've called to fix the dam, it appears like he's got plans to do this here soon. I'm sitting here probably about 32 degrees. It's cold. It's cold. The wind's up too, and it feels colder than 32, but he'll probably do this probably next week. Not going to be no rain next week. Just going to be a little chilly, and looks like we'll be getting our dam fixed. So and we're still I got to take the bearings down today on the John Deere and get it fixed, and see, we got her jacked up here. We got her jacked up here on jack stands, and there's JJ. So that's another minute on Bromark Farms this morning. Have a good day. Be sensitive to the spirit, and we love you. And I'll see you in a minute. Okay?